Welcome to the Azure Data Engineering interview series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into designing ADF pipelines for high throughput and parallelism with Azure Data Engineering expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. When working on Azure Data Factory pipelines, how do you approach designing them for high throughput and parallelism? Could you walk me through your thought process on this?
Well, when optimizing ADF pipelines for high throughput, we focus on partitioning data, leveraging activities in parallel, and optimizing the data movement. For example, in a recent project where we were processing large volumes of IoT data, we partitioned the data based on timestamp and used parallel copy activities to load data into Azure SQL Data Warehouse efficiently. By segmenting the data and running activities concurrently, we were able to achieve significant performance gains.
That's interesting. In your experience, how do you determine the optimal level of parallelism for a given pipeline? Are there any specific metrics or considerations you take into account?
Actually, determining the right level of parallelism involves considering factors like the data volume, available resources, and the target data store's capacity. We often monitor metrics such as data ingestion rates, processing times, and resource utilization to fine-tune the parallelism level. It's crucial to strike a balance to avoid resource contention while maximizing throughput.
Great insights. When dealing with complex dependencies between activities in your pipelines, how do you manage them effectively to maintain parallelism and ensure correct execution order?
So, managing dependencies in ADF involves setting up proper dependencies between activities using triggers, defining execution constraints, and leveraging tumbling window triggers for time-based dependencies. In our project, we created a dependency tree to visualize and manage the execution order, ensuring that activities ran in parallel whenever possible without violating dependencies.
Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.